What happens when you give your plants just one simple mix of rice powder and sugar water? The results may surprise you. Take 1 liter of clean water. Add a single spoon of rice powder. This brings gentle nutrients that strengthen roots and help plants grow steady. Now add half a spoon of sugar. This acts like instant energy, feeding the soil microbes that support plant health. Stir the mix well until the powder and sugar dissolve completely. Once ready, take this natural booster and pour it directly at the base of your plants. Do this in the morning when the soil is cool and the plants are most ready to absorb. You don't need to use it every day. Once every 2 weeks is enough to see steady growth, greener leaves, and stronger flowering. This mixture works because the rice powder releases slow nutrients, while sugar gives a quick boost to soil life. Together, they create a balanced food source, helping plants take in water and minerals more effectively. It's simple, natural, and surprisingly powerful. Try it in your garden and watch your plants thank you with healthy, vibrant growth. Nature always rewards small acts of care,